This 2026 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 273QB XL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a Crescent interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.